Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. Before I get into it, I want to mention that this particular NFT is going to be massive. You can mint up to 5 Meta Elements by it. And the most important thing, this is created by Hugo, which is a chief designer, Arthur and John. These are people that have a lot of experience in the NFT space. But before I start the video, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called metaelement.com. I'm going to put the link of this website in the description below. You can go over there and check it out. I'm going to go in great detail and explain to you what this NFT is about, who's behind it, and how much you can get it. They're available on Instagram, they're available on Twitter, and they are available on Discord. If you want to get reliable information about this particular NFT, you got to make sure that you join their Discord, you follow them on their Instagram, and you follow them on their Twitter. Now, there are 3,333 Meta Elements NFT available, not one more and not one less. And that is what makes it so unique. And you can join their movement by joining their Discord. And this is called Meta Element. It is brought to you by Hugo, who's the designer, which has worked with DreamWorks and Pixar and Riot Games. And obviously, these are huge names in the Hollywood industry. And they've brought us amazing cartoon animations that we watch throughout our lives. And the roadmap, which they cannot wait to reveal, is the best thing. The first part of the roadmap is the token, which is released in the mid of 2022. Is going to be 25% of the supply will be distributed to the holders. And these are the tokens that are also distributed in their play to earn based on the Binance Smart Chain. And transaction fee will be almost non-existent. And the second part of the roadmap is that they're developing a game that will be available at the same time as the token is going to be possible to play on your computers, on your mobiles, and through any applications which are developed on iOS and on Android. And each holder will be rewarded with a 200% bonus in the game, and also a character bearing the image of his NFT holders. And they will have access to play there and earn up to 30 days before the public launch. So you can sense the amount of investments that they're putting onto their NFT holders and individuals that will be minting this particular NFT, which is going to be available very soon. So stay tuned and watch this video. So I'm going to mention when it's going to be minted and how much it is going to be minted for. And the third part of the roadmap is very interesting. They're going to have up to 4 seasons events, which will be based on 4 different elements: the fire, water, air, and earth. And the location of each of these physical events is going to be chosen by the holders. And those who can't access the physical events, they'll be able to participate via the metaverse directly, and exclusive airdrops will be distributed during these events. And the part 4 of the roadmap is that during the year of 2022, this year, each holder will be able to benefit from a Meta Element suit in 3D, which will be usable in the metaverse. And the 5th part of the roadmap is from September 2022, all Meta Element suit holders will automatically receive the MES tokens. And now moving on, the frequently asked questions, which a lot of people tend to ask. And I want to mention this right now, that they will be available on Sunday, 6th of March at 1 p.m. EST for 24 hours. That is it. You got 24 hours on the 6th of March to get these amazing 333 NFTs. And the VIP element registration is now open for the public until the March 6th at 6 a.m. EST. And this stage will ensure you reserve a seat for your NFT. And what is the VIP element status? A VIP element status assures you to having one you can mint at the same time as everyone else, but your spot will be automatically reserved for you. And to avoid high minting gas fees, the developers have created a low gas fee smart contract for the public sale for the non-VIP first come first served element. And each Meta Element can be minted. Up to 5 Meta Elements can be minted per wallet. And the price, and this is absolutely brilliant, the mint price is 0.1 Ethereum, including the gas price, which makes it so unique. And how do you know if you've won the VIP status? If you're lucky and luck is on your side, by doing the requirements on their Discord and joining their Discord, which I've shown you in a second, they will be allowed to reserve a spot when the sale starts, and you can access to the channel on Discord and deposit the address of the wallet with which you want to. Remember, the non-VIP element, the sale is going to be still first come, first serve. And the most important thing I want to mention right now, to know any successful NFT or play to earn game that I've done a review of, I've mentioned is that the people behind it is very important. You got Hugo, who is the chief designer, Arthur, the designer assistant, and John, the marketing advisors. These guys have been in the NFT space, have been part of amazing and successful NFTs. So I highly suggest that you search them and find out who these guys are, because they understand the NFT space, they understand the crypto space, they have been involved with successful NFTs for a very long time. And the most important thing, how can you avoid being scammed? To the limit this, you have to follow them on their Discord, on their Twitter, on their Instagram, and they will never message you directly, because they will always make sure that they do not scam anyone. But like I mentioned at the start of my videos, that you got to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Right now, I'm going to show you something very, very unique. I'm going to show you their Instagram. I'm going to show you their Twitter. Their Twitter handle is absolutely brilliant. They have 11,700 followers. I'm going to increase that by 1 right now. And to understand and know any successful NFT, you gotta know how engaging their followers, how engaging their Twitter is, and they've got a lot of engagement. They have up to 10 dub whitelist spots with $10,000 giveaway, and they have 25,000 members on their Discords, which they got in less than 48 hours, and they got 10,000. And every time they get it, they're opening a position, they're letting you guys know. And the communication with Meta Elements suit is absolutely brilliant. They bring you topics, they bring you information, and they engage you with themselves on their channels, on their Discord, on their Twitter, and on their Instagram. Their Instagram is very unique. I love their Instagram. You click on the link over here where it says Instagram, and it opens it up. The Instagram, they have 14,700 followers. I'm going to increase that number by 1 right now. I want to show you how amazing their NFT is and what uniqueness that they bring to the NFT. This particular mention, they have said they have 25,000 in less than 48 hours. And let me show you their NFT. Now, their NFTs have a very artistic approach to it. Anyone that understands art will understand and appreciate the elements that they've brought in. And this particular NFT has got that potential, has got that image, has got that look that actually take it to the next level. And that is what makes it unique. They've taken a simple idea and they have manifested that into something very unique. And by using that unique element, they've developed a NFT that will literally blow every other NFT out of the water. And that is what makes this particular NFT so unique. So guys, in the end, if you want to invest in an NFT, if you want to get involved with an NFT, you got to make sure you understand who these guys are. The Meta Element has got the potential to blow every other NFT out of the water. The link is metaelements.com. I'm going to put in the link below in my description. You can check it out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp number available in the About section of my channel, The Educational Network. And you can comment in the section below on YouTube as well. And I will guide you and inform you as best as I can with the information I have. And until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.